Former Lieutenant Governor Diego Benavente described as a smear campaign and an act of desperation the CNMI Republican Party's petition requesting an investigation on Delegate Gregorio Quirili Sablan's alleged past drug use. The Saipan Tribune reports that the local GOP led over the weekend a petition asking U.S. Attorney for Guam and NMI Alicia Limtiaco to have the two-term U.S. Congressman probed for alleged drug-related matters. The petition asks Limtiaco to immediately launch a criminal investigation on the alleged past unlawful and illegal activities of Sablan for his direct participation and involvement in the trafficking of illegal drugs in the CNMI as a user, pusher, dealer, and or agent. Benavente said the local GOP's personal attack on Sablan just days before the November 6 election will not resonate among the voters who know better. Sablan, who has never been arrested or charged in connection with illegal drugs, said the public has every right to ask these questions of their elected officials. He admitted struggling with alcohol early in life, but said he gave it up on his 19th birthday on January 19, 1974. Sablan also said he had a problem with drug use before stopping cold turkey on January 19, 1995. Mark Rabago, PNC News, Saipan.